everyone, and welcome back to Sunbeam Care Plus English for Beginners. My name is Heureuse E, and my desire is to make a positive impact on you. Let me tell you something. There is some challenging we face when we are learning a new language. Also, our accents present another layer of difficulty, but it's never been an handicap. However, both can be overcome with dedication, use right strategies, take 15 days, 15 minutes daily at least, interact with native speakers, practice repetition, repetition. Practice is repetition. For do it and be authentic. Don't be ashamed of your accent. All right. Now we are going to hear a couple people how they say the alphabet. I'm going with you right there. Please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. What again do that's I already introduced myself. Let's get started with the alphabet because the alphabet is fundamental for reading and writing, which unlock the ability to access and understand information. We're getting to the alphabet. I will return back to those one with you later. Let's go this one. We will return back. And we are going to start here. Let's listen couple people, and then after you will hear me in my Creole accent. All right? Let's listen the American accent. All right? We're getting that.
A
B
B
C
C
D
D
E
E
F
F
G
G
H
H
I
I
J
J
K
K
L
L
M
M
N
N
O
O
P
P
Q
Q
R
R
S
S
T
T
U
U
V
V
W
W
X
X
Y
Y
Z.
Z.
This is American accent. I just want to see how they say it because they are native. They doing very well. Now, let's take some people, other accent like Nigerian accent. I would like you to hear that.
Are the 26 letters of the alphabet. English alphabet. So repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, but I don't say H. It's not H, it's H. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
So, you see, very authentic. Any problem? Right? There's none. Let's hear a third person. It's going to be like British. Who's going to say the alphabet? Pay attention.
B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
So you see how they pronounce it, and then it is very authentic. There is something I would like to let you know. I always confuse and mix all those one. Sometimes when I want to say G and then I say J, I forgot royal J is what there. So I always mix this one and this one. The third problem I used to have, it is like that's a double U. But I always keep saying W. Okay, it is W. So listen my own accent. You will see how I say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I don't use the Z, but now I know I can say Z or Z. What about you? Tell me what you can do, how you can say it. Now we are going back. Let's skip a couple things. This. Remember, there is 26 letters in the English alphabet, like in French. Every letters has an uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase and lowercase. Those letters are grouped into two categories. 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. 21 consonant, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, V, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, or Z. Now let's see what we can make with everything. A for apron or aspirin. Sometimes they just say aspirin. They don't pronounce aspirin. You see my accent, I say aspirin. But they just say aspirin. If you go somewhere you ask for aspirin, they may not understand what you are saying here. But you just say aspirin. But myself, I say aspirin. Apron. E for eggs or egg. Eraser. I for iron. Ice cream. O, oyo, oven. U, umbrella, underwear. B, bed, blanket. C, chair, cup. D, door, desk. F, fan, fridge. G, glasses, gloves. H, hat, hammer. J, jar, juicer. K, knife, keyboard. L, lump, lotion. M, mop, microwave. N, napkin, notebook. P, plant, pillow. Q, quarter, Q-tips. R, remote, radio. S, sofa, soap. T, table, television. V, vacuum, vinegar. W, washer, window. X, X-ray, Xbox. Y, yo-yo, yardstick. Z, zero, zucchini. This is all you can do. We call that alphabet household goods. So we use everything you see here in our house. So it is you, either one of them, you're gonna see it, you will use it on. That this one we will see. Now let's go for the phonetic alphabet. This one, I love this one a lot because when you call somewhere and in the customer service sometime, every time, not sometime, every time, if you are like foreigner's name, they will asking you to spell, how do you spell your name? You will hear that later. When you spell your name, you say Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, India. You see, I say hotel because I am French Creole. Juliet, Kilo, Lima, Mike, November, Oscar, Papa, Quebec, Romeo, Sierra, Tango, Uniform, Victor, Whiskey, X-ray, Yankee, Zulu. All right? So be authentic when you are saying your alphabet, my brother, my sister. Okay? I am foreigner like you. Now, it is time for you to practice. What is the number of letters in the English alphabet? What letters are considered vowels? What are the consonants? Why I can be vowel or consonant? Not me. Okay, why? not me. Y sometimes can be I, can be Y. Y. Y can be vowel or consonant. Can we write the alphabet letters in capital or lowercase? Please practice. Repetition. Repetition. Be authentic. Practice. Sunbeam Care Plus. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.